Did you know that brake fluid can boil in your vehicle and that when it does, you can experience diminished braking performance or even failure? Here's why. Brake fluid continuously absorbs moisture from the atmosphere. Over time, this moisture contamination builds to a level that causes the boiling temperature of the fluid to drop. As this happens, vapor pockets can form when the pressure and temperature in the system increase during normal operation. The result can be reduced or delayed braking. The increased moisture can also lead to corrosion and deposit formation in the brake lines and master cylinder, causing premature wear and leaks. Because moisture absorption is continuous and typically unavoidable, many manufacturers recommend fluid replacement at regular intervals to avoid major damage and diminished braking performance. Problems include soft or spongy pedal feel and delayed stopping response, corrosion and premature wear of brake parts and components, leaks caused by corroded brake lines, and rust. Fortunately, there's an effective solution. It's a service to replace the brake fluid in your vehicle. An experienced technician can perform a complete fluid exchange service. By using a pressurized pulsating action during the exchange process, old contaminated fluid, air, and moisture are removed, while filling the system with new premium DOT3 or DOT4 brake fluid. The exchange is performed by sealing the brake system, which prevents air and moisture from being introduced into the system during the service. This important feature of the service provides the peace of mind that comes with knowing your brakes will operate safely and consistently as they should. The benefits include removal of contaminants and unwanted moisture, helps prevent corrosion and premature wear, smoother, more responsive braking, and helps avoid costly repairs. Ask your service provider if your vehicle would benefit from a brake fluid exchange service today.